What did you find? What if...
Oh, there's another one, bottle cap.
Hey.
Get into the lungs of a poor
Rubbish.
sea turtle out in the sea. We don't want that, do we?
No. Oh! I fell.
And Ebony forgot how to walk.
We're cleaning up the beach. We joined a group. We're doing well. Should we go over this way?
I feel like it might be somewhere in here.
Maybe. Find out. Update. We found a syringe. It's right. Oh, you can't even see it.
At least it wasn't jabbed into a junkie.
Okay, no, you can't see the syringe. But it's in there.
Because you can see the actual needles like bent.
Yeah. It was gross. It was gross. But look how blue the water is. Oh,
Great day.
so. Yeah, we forgot gloves.
Yeah, I did a lot. So
Wow.
that's from like 20 minutes of walking along a beach.
And you found a human poo.
Yeah, exactly.
No. No.
How else do you do it then?
Shit, I gotta turn this. Yeah, this video is sponsored by the ocean. Yeah. What?
I've never seen a camera with my own eyes with a flip
It
screen.
took me like a month to realise it did this.
Who showed you?
I thought I broke it and then I flipped it up.
No, you said you thought you broke it and then I grabbed it and flipped it up.
Yeah. What did
You broke it!
What did we think of the beach? Oh, my camera's dying, so be quick. Say your thoughts.
awesome.
It was great.
Are we gonna go back next month?
Yeah.
Yep.
And we're gonna clean the CBD.
We are going to clean the CBD. Get it? The CBD?
Yeah, I get it. But this camera's gonna die, so.
As opposed to the other
Got
camera.
to. Do you like my nails? I got them
do.
done yesterday.
Hey, do you look at the...
You're supposed to look here.
Oh, okay. I keep looking up.
I never look there. Okay. This was great. Say peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye.
Bye.
No, this is such bad lighting. How are we going to fix this? Alright, let's make this happen. Let's get a stand tripod. Oh my god, it's kind of windy out here and I've just put my camera on its shed. It's not a very stable surface. So pray for me that it's okay. First of all, please try your best to ignore my slug eyebrows. I am so scared of getting my eyebrows done, so I always leave them for months. Okay, glad we got that out of the way. Second of all, this isn't really related to the video, but I really wanted to show my outfit because it's like my favorite outfit at the moment. Like easy, comfy outfit. So I'm wearing this jumper from Tiger Mist. And it's like super fluffy all down here and then like on the sleeves. Then here again, and same on the other side. And then I've been pairing this, so I just wear like a black top underneath, and then I have been pairing it with these chocolate pants. The chair just kind of shakes then. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh yeah, the pants from Cotton On, and I usually just wear them with like my Puma Thwines, even though they hurt my toes a little bit. Don't wear those shoes all the time. I doubt you guys even care. Just see this side of my hair is pissing me off. Let's just do that. I don't know. Anyway, I really wanted to film and recap on the vlog y'all just seen. So basically, if you didn't pick up, we did join like a volunteer group. So it's called, can this chair just, I know you're not a real tripod, but can you try? So it's called Beach Patrol, and we went to Port Melbourne to clean up the beach. So if you don't live in Port Melbourne, I mean, if you don't live in Melbourne, Port Melbourne is like a city area, but a beach city area, and it didn't, like, you guys would have saw in the video that didn't look that dirty unless you like dug through, and then you saw how much plastic and crap that was built up there. But Port Melbourne is actually known to get really dirty. The only reason it wasn't that, like, didn't look that dirty is because it was winter, so there's not humans around ruining it as much. So we went there and we cleaned it up, as we will every month. So much plastic, guys, so much plastic crap, like so much broken plastic pieces that we don't even know where they came from, like just heaps of crap, so much coffee cups, like just shit that will get used once and never again. And a syringe is what we found as well. So we will be doing that monthly. So you pretty much just spend an hour cleaning up the beach. You go into different parts, so everyone can kind of cover like all parts of the beach, and then they will add it up at the end, so they will like section it off, so everything, so things that need to get recycled, and things that need to go in the like, rubbish bin, and then if you find things like syringes, they go in those yellow hazard buckets. So yeah, it was a really great experience. Like, we're not locals to Port Melbourne, but most of the people were locals. In fact, like all of the regulars were, and they're just these people that have been part of the community for a long period of time and just really want to keep it clean and nice because they love it. They love where they live, they love their environment, and they want to look after it like we all should be doing. And yeah, some of these people seem to like, they will go there in their own time to clean the beach, like they care that much. If humans could just care, if half these humans could care half as much as these people, this wouldn't be a problem. But you know what, we're all gonna learn one day, and hopefully it's not the hard way. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. They also, so pretty much if you're interested, you can just Google your local beach cleanup. I think they're like everywhere. Like, I follow a bunch on Instagram, like heaps from America and stuff, so they're everywhere. They're all over Melbourne, they're probably all over Australia. And yeah, we are also going to, I need to look up the date, it's currently still August, so I think in October there's going to be a... Did you guys see that catch? That almost dropped. Alright, I might as well just hold this now. That was amazing. I got that so quick. Yeah, so basically they're everywhere. So Beach Patrol also do city cleanups because, again, Melbourne is quite a pretty busy place, and people like to not look after it, right? I guess. And be a little bit careless sometimes. So we're going to do a big cleanup, I think the start of October. I need to look into it properly. With the same people, so these beach patrol people also have another volunteer group that they've joined me to, and I believe they've joined Dallas and Chelsea too as well. But we are going to clean the city for like a whole day, and then we're going to separate it into like, again, like into like coffee cups, cans, plastics, and then try and get the news involved and get it in the newspapers so people can see how much of a problem it's becoming. So yeah, if this is something you're interested in, I encourage you just to Google, and if you're in a beach and it doesn't have it, just do it, just clean it. And yeah, that's all I have to say, and I will continue this series real soon. Goodbye.